Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In today's video, we are going to take up one very interesting question from system of equations. We have x plus y equal to a, x cube plus y cube equal to a, x power 5 plus y power 5 equal to a. Given that x, y, a are real numbers, then we have to find all possible values of a. So let's get started by considering equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now we will set xy equal to u. Let's say xy is u. Now we will begin with our first equation, which is x plus y equal to a. Now we will consider squaring both sides. Now x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2 times xy equal to a square. Now x times y is u. So here we can put u. I will write x square plus y square plus 2 times u equal to a square. Or we can subtract 2u from both the sides and get the value of x square plus y square, which will be equal to a square minus 2 times u. And here we will write equation 4. Now we are going to multiply equation 2 with equation number 4. Let's multiply. We'll write here equation 2 times equation 4. So in LHS, we will write x square plus y square. Then we will write LHS of our equation, which is x cube plus y cube. In RHS, we'll be writing a square minus twice u, and x cube plus y cube is a. Now we will multiply term by term. X square times x cube, we'll write x power 5. Y square times y cube, we can write y power 5. Now cross product terms would be x square y cube plus x cube y square. So there we can take x square y square common. So in the bracket we can write x plus y. And RHS will be a cube minus 2 times u a. Now x plus y is our equation 1. Here it is. Value is a. X power 5 plus y power 5 is our equation number 3. Value is again a. And xy was u, our substitution. So here we can write u square. So I will be writing a plus u square a in the LHS. And in RHS, we will write a cube minus 2 times u a. Take all the terms to one side. We will get a plus au square minus a cube plus 2ua equal to 0. Now a is looking common. We will take a common out. So in the bracket we can write 1 plus u square minus a square plus 2u equal to 0. Now we will apply product 0 rule. So we can write either a equal to 0 or 1 plus u square plus 2u minus a square will be 0. So this is our second equation. Let us solve both the equations. So first equation is already solved, a equal to 0. Now we will consider second equation. In place of 1 plus u square plus 2u, can we write u plus 1 whole square? So I will write here 1 plus u square plus 2u minus a square equal to 0. So here we can write u plus 1 whole square. So u plus 1 whole square minus a square equal to 0. Add a square to both sides. We can write a square equal to u plus 1 whole square. Now we will take square root both sides, or we can calculate the value of u. So we will be writing u plus 1. This would be equal to plus minus a. So we can subtract 1 from both the sides and get the values of a in terms of u, or we can say value of u in terms of a. Value will be minus 1 plus minus a. So we can write two values, minus 1 plus a, and second value would be minus 1 minus a. So I can write u will be equal to a minus 1 or minus of a plus 1. So here we have two u values. Now I will consider our equation number 2 and 1. So I will write here 1 is here, 2 is here. So I can consider x plus y equal to a, our first equation. Now we will consider cubing both sides. We will apply a plus b whole cube identity here and write x cube plus y cube plus 3 times xy times x plus y equal to a cube. Now x cube plus y cube is already a, so we will write here a. X plus y is also a. Xy is our substitution u, so we can write a plus au equal to a cube. 3 times is also there. Now we will take all the terms to one side and take a common out. So in the bracket we can write 1 plus 3u minus a square equal to 0. So from here also we will get two equations, either a equal to 0 or 1 plus 3u minus a square equal to 0. Now we have two u values. So we will solve our second equation with the help of known u values. U was a minus 1 and minus of a plus 1. So let me write this equation here. 1 plus 3u minus a square equal to 0. So I will write 1 plus 3u minus a square equal to 0. Let me write here u values. U was a minus 1 and minus of a plus 1. So let us solve this quadratic for first u value, u equal to a minus 1. I will write our equation here. 1 plus 3 times a minus 1 minus a square equal to 0. So I will write 1 plus 3a minus 3 minus a square equal to 0. Or we can write minus a square plus 3a minus 2 equal to 0. Let's multiply by minus 1 both sides. We will get a square minus 3a plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will factorize this quadratic equation and we will get a minus 1 times a minus 2 equal to 0. So from here we will get either a minus 1 equal to 0 or a minus 2 equal to 0. So from our first equation we will get 1, from second equation we will get 2. So for u equal to a minus 1, we are having two a values, plus 1 and plus 2. Now we are going to consider u equal to minus of a plus 1. Let me write equation 1 plus 3u minus a square equal to 0. This time we are putting u equal to minus of a plus 1. So we will write 1 plus 3 times, in bracket we can write minus a minus 1 minus a square equal to 0, or we can write 1 minus 3a minus 3 minus a square equal to 0. Multiply both sides by negative 1. So we will get a square plus 3a plus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Or we can write a square plus 3a plus 2 equal to 0. So we have quadratic equation. We can easily factorize a plus 1 times a plus 2 equal to 0. We'll apply product 0 rule. We'll say either a plus 1 will be 0 or a plus 2 will be 0. So we are going to get a equal to negative 1 and negative 2 from here with the value of u equal to minus of a plus 1. So we have in total 5 a values. I will write 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.